Guys, welcome back to Sparks and Recreation. It is kind of the off season, but we have some big news. We acquired a tech card to get into the Altima 600 again. So we are going to run that 3.5 automatic Altima with the information we gathered from the last race and try to bring an even better product to the next one. Last time we drove from damn near last to 7th. If I didn't go down a lap in the very first lap or two, I think we might have had something for a top 5. And I also had to come in for a pit stop. So anyways, Altima race is happening again, January 17th. We are thinking about maybe doing like a t-shirt release or like a lottery ticket board or do some kind of like thing to help kind of fund the cost of that, because it literally cost like $3,000 last time to go down and do that race. And in the middle of winter slow season, I don't know if I have that to really just chase down Cleetus. So we'll see. We're going either way. It's just that it'd be cool if there was some kind of help with it. Anyhow, off season here in New York. We just raced this Pontiac Vibe at Evergreen Raceway about 2 weeks ago. They are running it back a little bit before Christmas. They are doing another 100-lap Enduro on asphalt, 3rd mile. Should we take this thing again? Chase them down again? I blew a tire under green and went from like probably 10th or 12th to like 30th. Worked my way back up to like 20th. So not a great race. I do have to do a little bit of work to this. The tires on this are all dry rotted and they suck. With the information I now have about the gearing on this car and the track, I think I'm going to bring a completely different setup and see if we can shoot for a top 5. So if you want to see that, let me know. If you want to tune in and see this Altima race, let me know. If you think we should do some kind of either giveaway or some kind of like raffle type thing or something to help, maybe even just buy some t-shirts on sparksandrecreation.com. Anything to help towards the Altima race is kind of our main goal over the next month or two. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Maybe it'll be us racing that. I don't know what we're doing. I'll make some content for you. Comment, like, subscribe. See ya.